In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDFs, documents, and images instantly in chat. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to share files right inside your chat window. By the end, you'll be able to send a PDF, a document, or an image in just a few taps, without leaving the conversation or switching apps. First, open your chat. This can be an existing conversation or a new one. Just make sure you're in the thread where you want the file to appear. It helps to confirm you're sending to the correct person or group before you attach anything, especially if the file is sensitive. A stable internet connection will make the upload smoother, so if things feel slow, take a quick moment to check your Wi-Fi or data signal. Next, look for the image or upload icon. Depending on your chat app, this might look like a paperclip, a camera, a picture frame, or a plus sign that expands more options. It's usually near the message box. Tap that icon to open your attachment tools. If your keyboard is covering the toolbar, minimize it so you can see the icons clearly. Now, choose your file. You'll be taken to a file picker where you can browse photos, recent downloads, your documents folder, or a cloud drive. Navigate to the exact file you want: PDF, Word doc, spreadsheet, or image, and select it. Many apps show a quick preview, so you can double-check you picked the right one. Keep an eye on file size limits and supported formats. If a file is very large, it might take longer to upload. If you need to share multiple items, some apps allow selecting more than one file at once. But if not, just repeat the same process for each file. Finally, click Send. You can add a short message or caption to give context, like what the file contains or any next steps the recipient should take. After you tap Send, watch for an upload progress bar or spinning indicator. Wait until you see a confirmation, such as a delivered checkmark or a small thumbnail in the chat, so you know it went through. If it fails, verify your connection and try again with the same steps. That's it. Open chat, tap the image or upload icon, choose your file, and send. With this workflow, you can share PDFs, docs, or images instantly, keeping your conversations efficient and your files exactly where they're needed. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!